In this video, I want to show you one of the easiest ways to use AI to grow a TikTok account. This can be done on Instagram and Facebook as well, but on TikTok, this is very, very powerful. Now, over the past couple months, we've been building TikTok accounts based on AI characters, often beautiful AI influencers and girls, so that we can sell products through the TikTok shop as well as get paid for the views through the creator program. Now, I want to show you a strategy that we apply, especially in our first 1 or 2 months for any new account, to really grow quickly. You see, TikTok really loves engagement and interaction. Video takes a little bit more effort. You got to get the hook right. You got to get people to watch over a long period of time. You got to get them to engage. And on the AI side, since we're creating these characters with AI, that cost can add up quite quickly. So what we needed to do is find a strategy to grow our accounts very quickly without having to spend thousands of dollars every month on producing these high quality videos that are 1 minute, 2 minutes long, and it's posting multiple times per day. Because on TikTok, volume matters as well. So what we are taking advantage of is the slideshow. I found this one just as I was scrolling through. This is a base example of what we are utilizing, and we'll walk through the manual process here of how you can create these slideshows using your AI characters and how you can actually take advantage of this on your TikTok growth. Now, as you can see, these slideshows are very simple. They're just a bunch of images with some text on the image. That right there, image generation with AI is so much cheaper than it would be for video generation. Plus, you can pop these out without needing much effort. You just need an image of your girl or of your character, have intriguing one-liners on the text, and that's it. The people scrolling through counts as multiple engagements on your post, giving all the right signals that TikTok needs to push your content out there. Now, you can't just rely on this 100% to make money on TikTok, especially if you're trying to get paid in the creator program, because they want your videos a little bit longer. They want to have a video of 1 minute long of you speaking or doing or acting or whatever it may be. But we put this about 80% of our posts in our first 60 days are utilizing slideshows. And about every 2 or 3 days, we'll create a 1-minute-long video of our AI character talking and maybe using a product from the TikTok shop, whatever it may be, to add that variety in there, get paid in the creator program, and make it appear as a real character. So first off, let's just head on over to ChatGPT and we'll run everything through here to make it very simple. Now, there's many tools that we use that are a little bit better. Image generation, Nano Banana is a little bit better. You have Kling 2.5, 2.6, really good for animation and moving your characters. You can use VEO 3. All of those have expenses, those, and costs. So we're just going to go very simple here on ChatGPT to walk you through how you can do this manually. Now, like I said, with our slides, we really want to hit curiosity. You want people to be sliding through. You don't want to give all the information up on that first slide. You want to kind of hook people and have them slide through your images. You can choose a single niche or you can be all over the place. That's kind of what's cool about TikTok is every post is treated individually. The AI algorithms these days know who to serve your content to, whatever you're talking about. So it's okay to jump around these days compared to over the past decade and previous, where you want to kind of have a single following who is going to be talking about a certain topic, certain thing going on. Here we're looking to kind of have lottery tickets as we put out our content and our videos. And when it comes to the TikTok shop, if any of those go viral, then you're making money in the bank, very simply. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and come up with some concepts for our slides. Now, I typically like to just go with something like a line like, nobody admits this about blah, blah, blah. A good way to start your slides. So I'm going to come to ChatGPT and I'm going to have it give us some ideas about the slides we want to do. Give it information about our character, what we're doing, and the thing we're looking for it to accomplish. All right, so I've asked ChatGPT here to give me 10 ideas about what slideshows we can do. This is literally just 10 posts that we can kind of make with all of these shots. 5 different shots one per slide of our AI character with whatever the text may be. So as you can see, our ideas here, nobody admits this about pretty girls, what guys notice in 3 seconds, the personality type men secret obsess over, why some girls never get approached, etc., etc. So all these can work. Now, whoever your AI character is going to determine really what you want to be talking about. We're going to go ahead and create some slideshows for our AI character here. Not your typical younger type of blonde girl, blue eyes type of influencer. We like to go a little bit unique. The older, gray hair, curvy woman that grabs the attention of the niche crowd. Now, with these women, with the slideshows, you're often grabbing the attention of just men, obviously. But when it comes to the actual sales process, remember, every video is treated differently, and the following that you gather isn't really that important. All we need is 10,000 followers to be able to have full monetization through TikTok, and that's what we're taking advantage of with these slideshows. Okay, so let's go ahead and just choose one, and then we'll go for it. So we'll go with number 5 here. Things attractive girls pretend don't happen. So what we have here is we have 5 separate slides that we're going to use. I'm going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT that this is what I want to do. I'm going to do this one. I need 5 separate prompts. I'll attach the image of our girl so it knows what we're going for. And I'm just going to need fully detailed prompts for this character of these slides. All right, so we have our prompt per hook now, per slide we want to do. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go right through ChatGPT here. I'm going to copy each prompt one at a time. And then we're going to use our reference character to create these slides using her. Okay, now we also want to make sure that these are always 9:16 because they are TikTok. So we'll just kind of add that clarification. Create image 9:16 for TikTok. Use our reference character. And then we're going to just paste in that prompt, and we're going to go one at a time to create these images. All right, guys, so we have our 5 images now. These are all 9:16. We can upload into TikTok. As you can see there. Now, all we'll do is we'll take those captions that ChatGPT provided us and we'll put them right over the slides themselves. So we're going to upload these as just photos into TikTok, and this creates your slideshow. Very, very simple method that works incredibly well. Now, what you saw right there, we had a lot of buggy little action with ChatGPT. We started this video like 35 minutes ago or so, and it took about that long to create one of these posts. Now, we like to post these 3 times a day, but because this has been working and we've been doing this a lot, we have built internally some AI workflows using N8N and Airtable to allow this to happen at one click of a button. So we can actually create an entire week or an entire month of these slideshows in just a few minutes using the automations and workflows we've built in N8N. And that's exactly what I am opening up to you guys in our AI avatar kit. Now, this is just one of the workflows you guys get in this program. We are pretty much using multiple workflows to create all of our content using AI characters, from these slideshows, from our social media content outside of TikTok, all the way to the UGC videos where we're selling TikTok shop products and making money. We started a few new accounts this past month. In the first 2.5 weeks, our first account hit monetization at that 10,000 follower point. Just shortly after that, within the week, we were able to hit our second account, and the third account was a little bit dragging. The girl just didn't really have the pop that these other unique characters did, so we dropped it. But we are already monetized, making money, not only through the views of the creator beta program, but also selling TikTok shop products with these workflows. If you guys want to check out and grab our AI avatar kit to help you guys grow your TikTok shop accounts, use AI characters in your sales video, even clone yourself to create sales content or training content, anywhere where you're using a character, an avatar, and you want that content at one click of a button rather than spending the hours generating it manually, that's exactly what these workflows are. I built them to run my business internally, and now we're opening it up to the public where they are modular. They're not just a one set system that's going to work the same way every time. They're customizable and they can work for whatever business, whatever brand, whatever audience that you're building. It doesn't have to be a TikTok UGC influencer account. It can be a consulting business. It can be a local mom and pop. Anywhere where you're using characters, you're using a repetitive brand ambassador that you want to help sell your product. That's what these kits are made for. So guys, if you want to grab that AI avatar kit, go ahead and click the button below. We have an early bird special running right now that closes at midnight on Friday. I'd love to see you guys on the other side. Thank you so much.